Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video I just want to show you how to install Java Enterprise Edition you mean Eclipse software in your Ubuntu machine. So in order to install the Java Enterprise Edition Eclipse on your Ubuntu, first of all you need to have a JDK of 1.8 or higher. Now check this, that if you have this JDK 1.8 installed, open up your terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T and you will type in Java version. So you can see I have already installed the openjdk version of 1.8. So I am eligible to install this Eclipse Java Enterprise Edition. Okay, so you need to check this before downloading the Eclipse Java Enterprise Edition software. Okay, so if you see that it's not 1.8, then what you can do is that you can install the openjdk version of 1.8. so to do this, you need to use the sudo add-apt-repository ppa openjdk. So you need to open a repository on your Ubuntu. So you just I have already provided all these commands in the description below, so you can just copy it and just do the way I'm doing and you will be fine. Okay, so you will go and use this command to create a repository. So you will just copy this and paste on your terminal and it will go and create the repository. Because I've already installed this, so I'm not gonna do this. Then you can use this sudo app update to update the things, and then you will install the openjdk 8. Okay, so you will go and install the JDK version 8 or 1.8. so it will go and install that one. Then once you will check the version, it will display that it has an openjdk version of 1.8. now once you have done this, if you have any other version of JDK installed, then you can just you need to update this thing, update Java alternatives mintel. You will, so if you do this update Java alternative mintel, it will update the new JDK that you have installed. Okay, and if you type in Java version, and if it is displaying any other openjdk version, maybe 1.7 or 1.6 or any other version, then what you need to do is you need to select the Java version 1.8. so to do this, you will have to copy this command, sudo update alternatives minus config java. Let me show you this. Just copy it and paste it. If you see clearly, let me just do it once again. So if you see clearly, it will show you all the JDK version installed on your machine. You can see I have 7, 6, 7, 8 installed on my machine. So but you can see there is a star next to it, so this will indicate that this is the default openjdk version you are using. Alright, so if you do this command, it will ask you please enter to keep the current choice. Okay, so you will select a number. So if you want to choose Java 8 openjdk version, then you will press, which is number 3, so you will press number 3 over here and you will enter it. Okay, mine is already done, so no problem. So once you have done this, then you will go to the folder where you have installed the where you have downloaded the configuration file for the Eclipse Enterprise Edition, and you will extract the one on a folder, and we will go inside a folder. Let me show you. So mine is this one. So once you go to the Eclipse folder, after extracting the tar file, tar.zz, that file that you have installed, downloaded, once you extract that file, you will see all these things. Okay, so once you're already done with installation of Java 1.8, you will just go and click on this icon, and you will just enter it. All right, so once you enter it, the installation will start. Okay, so this is how you install Eclipse Enterprise Edition on your Ubuntu machine. So mine is already installed, so it is asking me to launch my workspace. Alright, so let me recap once again. Since Java Enterprise Edition Eclipse requires you to have a JDK of 1.8 or higher, so if you need to install that JDK 1.8 on your Ubuntu machine. If you have already, then it's fine. Just go and download the tar.z file from the Eclipse official website, and just extract it. Double click on the extracted folder, and you will see icon which says Eclipse type of thing, diagonal type of figure. You just double click on this and you will install it normally. However, if you don't have the JDK 1.8, so first you need to use this command to create a repository, then you need to update it, then you need to install the openjdk version. Okay, once you're done, you will check the current version that you have on your machine. So this Java minus version will be able to show you which version you're currently using. Now if you're using Java openjdk 8 or 1.8, then it's fine. However, if it's other version is there, like 1.7 or 6, any other version other than the Java JDK 8, then you need to update the alternatives. So update Java minus alternatives minus L. Once you do that, it will update the alternatives, and you need to go and select the 1.8. So to do this, you will just use this command sudo update alternatives minus config Java, and see which number is your 1.8, and you go and click that number just I showed you before, and you will select the Java 1.8. Once you have done this, just recheck once again which version you are using, Java minus 1. So once you do these things, it's done. Just go and click to the folder, and you can double click on the icon, and okay, the installation will begin normally. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in another video. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.